You are welcome to Emmanuel Crypto. Why are you struggling with bots and robots in market anytime a coin is listed? What about if I show you three smart ways how you could act fast and buy this coin even before they get listed for free? Yes, I kid you not. You'll be able to buy this coin for free. Yes, this is how smart investors works, and this is what they have been gatekeeping away from. As a sure guy I am, I'm here in this particular video to reveal what most of your idolos are not even telling you. As a kind of person I am, I will always share updates with you. In fact, one, the third method is the best, and you only get it if you're able to watch this particular video to the end. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. So let's dive into the video of today. So let me quickly share you the first one. What you need to do is to download your Bybit app. Yes, this particular strategy I'm sharing with you only works when you are trading on Bybit. I'm telling you, this is not sports trading. No, not at all. Because you are going to you'll be buying this coin way back. In fact, even though before they get listed. Yeah, sure. So you need to have a Bybit account. Register it. I'll be dropping my link and the referral code in the description of this particular video. Make sure you use it to get registered. And also, after you have registered, you perform your KYC. After you are done with that, what you need to do is that when you open your app, face like this, you come to this aspect that says more. You tap on it. There are a lot of things which you can do with your Bybit app, but a lot of people only take, okay, let me only use it to trade spot, let me use it to trade future, nothing. And they have a lot of things which you can navigate here. Look at them here. Look at how much. And all this particular feature have a lot of benefits that they can do for you. But a lot of people do not know about it. So let me just share some with you. The first one you can do is what? Using their launchpad strategy. Let me tap on it and let it allow you to load. So this place you could see these are coins. These are new coins that you could get only by staking some particular amount of coin. You could see, let me bust your bubble. You could see total allocation of this particular coin is 3,755,000. And now you see the number of participants, 18,000, meaning people are doing it. Total committed amount, you have to stake what they call MNT token to for you to be able to get this particular token. You see, total allocation. This is the total allocation and cap by subscribers. I think individual will be able to get 7,500 depending on the amount you're able to stake. Look at another one again. Let me take you to this other one again before we dive to this other one. The token name is called Marked. Total allocation, we have 2,500,000. Cap by subscriber, we have 5,000 mark. And total committed amount is this token also, MNT. Number of participants, you could see 17,000. When you tap on this place, you'll be able to read their details. You could see these all are just new coins. You could see another one. You could see total participant. So this is just the first one. Let's quickly, so that this video will not get too long, let's go to the second one. The second one is to participate in what we call launch pool. So when you tap on launch pool, this one is about the first one. So look, these are new coins. B3TR. We have this one, MNT pool. You could see this pool. You could see USDT pool. You could see Pearl. You could see this one has even ended. This one has ended. People have done it, and this is what they have been keeping for. A lot of people are thinking Launchpad and Launch Pool, are they not the same thing? I was like you, but let me educate you a little bit. Let's go back to our chat GPT and learn some certain things about Launch Pool, about Launchpad. So I asked ChatGPT, I say, is Launch Pool and Launchpad the same? He said no. He said Launch Pool and Launchpad on Bybit are not the same. They serve different purpose for user looking to participate in new token. You see, the word new token offering or get involved with newly listed coin. Here are the breakdown. When we talk about the Bybit Launchpad, Launchpad is a Bybit platform for initial exchange offering (IEO), where you can participate in token sales. This one now they bring the token sales for people to buy from the sales, yes, and or buy newly launched token directly during their public offering phase. How it works? User usually needs to commit their fund, like the other one should that it was MNT, often in USDT, to participate in token sales. So after the offering is completed, user receive purchase token. So depending on the amount you are able to put on that particular coin, that will determine the amount of token you will receive. And I tell you, you also still get your coin back. So it's a win-win for you. So a example, a new token might be available for purchase as a discount trade. So this is just what for you to buy new launch token at a discount trade. Launch back before it listed for regular trade. So before people even come and say they want to start buying it on spot, on future, you have bought your own at a very discounted price. And when you are now selling it, I tell you, you make me far way more profit. And the other one is launch pool. Launch pool is a yield farming and staking. This one is not that you are buying the token at a discount price now. This one you are staking, where user can stake certain token, e.g. USDT, BNB to earn reward in the form of newly listed token. It is designed to help project distribute token to their community in a decentralized way. So how does this one work? You put a particular amount of token, you stake it, and depending on the amount you're able to stake on that particular coin, that would depend the amount which you'll be able to farm. Yes. You can stake your token into a launch pool farming program. In return, you earn the project native token as reward over it. This particular two I've actually shared with you. The coins get listed, the newly listed coin, and also the cryptocurrency you stake, you'll be able to get it back. So that makes it a win-win. And the other aspect, which is the last, which I'm about to share with you. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload any other new video. So the last one but not the least also is this one, pre-market. A lot of people doesn't actually use this. You could see this is power. Now, I heard that it will be listed on 30, but in fact, if you did particular airdrop or not, you can participate and buy this particular coin at the pre-market price and sell anytime they get listed. So you just have to tap on it. You just need to read the description. But I tell you, you could see now the total supply is around 100 billion. Yes. So you can read about it. But when it comes to pre-market, it has to be you actually taking a risk, because at the end of the pre-market, the price can be way above and it can be below. But this one, you can just particularly take the risk, and you could see that poor at the pre-market price also. With this pre-market price, you can also be able to deduce price, what the listing price will be. You could see currently the 1 pound to USDT is around 0.00067. So this way you can buy this particular coin at this particular time, and whenever they get listed, you just sell. Because I tell you, anytime a coin get listed, it always skyrocket before it falls again. So at that point of it skyrocketing, where people will be struggling, looking for how to buy, and the market will continue to change, you must have gotten your own coin and you just sell ASAP. I still have more, but if you think this video was helpful, please kindly drop your comments and subscribe. Click on the bell because you also get notified anytime I upload another new video. Thank you. Bye bye.